Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can edit the installment tracker and how we can update it. Just have a look. So from the passbook, I have already created one loan, that is one loan number 120. So here you can see this loan created on the 1st Feb 2023. Now, I want to go to the installment tracker, and here you can see the tracker is created for 6 months. Now, you can see this yellow color, it is in due, it is showing a due. So, if I want to edit some date or any change, for example, I will click this first installment and I can change the principal and interest also if we want to edit. So, but I will not change principal. I will go to the due date and I will change the date here. Let's say 1st of March. And you can click on the blue color, so it will change the only one installment. And if you click in the orange colors, it will change the all the installments. So I will click here one installment and click to yes. Now I will close this window and just here I will click on the refresh. Here you can see the date is changed from the 1st Feb to 1st March. But again here it is coming the same 1st March. So I want to change the all the installments date. So I will go to the date option and I will click here. I will change the April month and click on the orange button. Just click on the yes and close. Now just refresh this page. Here you can see now April, May, June, July, August. Okay, but here I need to change the due date 1st March. I think it is changed automatically. So I will click on the blue button and just click to close. So here you can see March, April, May, June, July, August. Now, if I want to delete the last installment, you can merge and delete option. You can see here. You can delete or merge the installment here. So for example, I want to delete this installment. I can click here, delete and click to yes. Just close and refresh. Here you can see 5 installments are there. Now I want to extend one installment. I can click here again and update and extend. I will just click here one and extend. Are you sure to extend? Yes. So I have extended one installment. Now just refresh it. Here you can see I have extended, but the principal and interest is changed. So if I want to update the principal manually, I can click here and principal amount is 833 and interest is 100. I can just click on the update installment and close. Now if I refresh this, you can see it is coming correctly. So like this, you can change the installments and you can whatever options we have given here, you can extend the due date. Here you can change the day, like how many days, week, month. You can change this. In merge and delete, you can merge two installments and you can delete that installment as well.